Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install an SSO agent on a client workstation using the Quick Installation Wizard. Using the EAM Quick Installation menu, you will learn how to install a 64-bits client in a dedicated ADLDS directory. In order to perform this tutorial, make sure you install an Enterprise Access Management controller. Moreover, the workstation must be connected to the corporate directory, the Enterprise Access Management controller, as well as the Enterprise Access Management directory. Make sure you use a valid account with full administration permissions on the workstations. If you need help in initializing an Enterprise Access Management controller, I recommend watching the tutorial on how to install an Enterprise Access Management controller. To run the installation wizard, open the root folder of the installation package and double-click on the start.hta file. Click on Installer Client with the operating system that matches your workstation. Since I am using a 64-bit operating system, I will click on 64-bit. Moreover, in another tutorial, I installed a controller using ADLDS. Therefore, I will choose the same directory for installing the client. If the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable has not been installed, a window will appear before choosing the tasks to install on your workstation. If it's the case, click on Next when the window appears in order to install the redistributables. Proceed to the tasks to perform during quick installation. Click on Set your EAM license keys, and if you wish to install support for French healthcare, click on the corresponding box. Click on Next. Here my license keys have already been imported. However, you may need to click on Import and retrieve your license keys. Once your license keys have been imported, click on Next. Name the EAM directory by precising the name of the server, the DNS, and the port. For the port, you must use 55,000, the default one used to communicate between the controller and the agent. Click on Next. Choose which client modules to install on the workstation. Select the authentication method to use when opening the Enterprise SSO module. By selecting Windows Authentication as authentication mode, the solution will install a component that secures user data and synchronizes encryption keys when the primary password is changed. This authentication option is useful if the SSO is the only functionality needed on the workstation. For more information on the other authentication methods, I recommend to take a look at the Authentication Manager and Enterprise SSO Quick Installation and Start Guide. You will also find this information on the web page dedicated to this video. You can also choose the additional languages you wish to install the Enterprise Access Management module. Before the start of the installation, you can see which modules will be installed or not on your workstation. If you are satisfied, click on Next. The installation has finished. Now let's see if the SSO engine is available. If I open my applications, I see an Evidian EAM file has been created. Thank you for watching this video. You should now be able to install an SSO client on your Windows workstation.